How to add background color in Visual Studio Code. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change or add a background color in Visual Studio Code. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Visual Studio Code on your device. After that, open Visual Studio Code. Then click on the gear icon at the bottom left corner and select Settings. Now in the search bar, type in settings.json and click Edit in Settings. Now next step is to add Workbench customization. Inside the JSON file, add the code. Replace your code with the color you want, like FFEFTF for a light background. Next step is to save the file and instantly your background color will update in VS Code. And that is how you can add background image on VS Code. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.